How to reset iPhone camera settings. Hey guys, do you want to reset your iPhone camera settings? In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your iPhone camera settings. So let's get started without wasting any times. Guys, doing the settings I'm going to show you in the short video will reset all camera setting of your iPhone to default. For this, you need to click on settings menu. Then you need to scroll down and here you will see an option of general. Click on it. Then click on iPhone storage. Then you need to scroll down to the bottom and here you will see an option of transfer or reset iPhone. Then you need to click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Tap on reset all settings to confirm your action. Are you sure you want to continue? This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings. Now your iPhone will shut down and restart again. Guys, reset all setting will reset your iPhone camera settings as well as your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location and VPN setting. So that wrap up this tutorial. If you have any question or problem, please share it in the comments below. I hope you liked the video. Please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.